I own a Radford 14-metre racer cruiser that I'm doing some refit work to, and we'll be getting it ready for a sailing adventure soon. Thanks for tuning in. I'm not on the boat this time. I'm out on a beautiful island. It's a private island, exclusive resort, and I'm here working with a good friend Dave. We've been doing video productions and we've been working together for a long time. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because a company reached out to me quite some time ago, and they offered me an underwater drone. That's something I hadn't really used before, so I said yeah, sure, and they sent it out. It's been sitting in the office for quite a while, and the reason is the boat's been out of commission and the water around Suva is just pretty filthy, and honestly with an underwater drone you need to have clean water. The opportunity came to work here, and this is just like the prime job for us. We don't get a chance to work in a place like this very often. It's just a stunning part of Fiji, and there are many good places in Fiji. So we're out here working for a week. I didn't have as much time as I wanted for the drone. Went out a couple of times, used it very quickly because we're quite busy and the schedule was tight. I see that there is potential with this, and it's quite a fun machine. Left Suva on one of the resort barges. Kadavu and its islands are only 45 nautical miles south of Suva. This would be a good long weekend spot to sail to on the boat. One of the resort activities we covered was a boat trip down the coast of Kadavu Island. I set up the underwater drone for its first plunge. Connections is all Wi-Fi from the drone cable to the Wi-Fi hub, and that works with the controller and a monitor, either a phone or a tablet. It's good because there are no wires connecting the devices, so you have free movement. It's very fast and scoots along at up to 4 knots and turns well and is responsive. The camera looks forward, so it's always traveling towards the camera view. They claim the built-in chargeable batteries last up to 4 hours, but I only had half an hour because we had a tight schedule with plenty to do. The picture quality is good and it's 4K resolution. It's important with an underwater drone to have clean water, as when snorkeling or diving, otherwise you just won't see much. My phone wasn't bright enough for outside. It has lights on the front and they always stay on. I had another quick go at the jetty, and this time I used the goggles for the phone. I could see way better, and it was a bit of a virtual reality experience. The underwater drone was fun, and I look forward to using it again. If you'd like to know more about the SeaRay underwater drone, follow the links below. And if you want to get one, there's also a 10% discount if you take the link. Back to Suva on the barge. I think this is the only off-topic video I'll be putting out, and from now on it will only be about the boat and sailing. And so until next time, happy sailing.